apple cider vinegar. Hey everybody, it's Carleigh Bodrug, aka Plant You. Online, I am best known for a little series that I like to call a scrappy cooking, where I take commonly wasted foods and leftovers and transform them into delicious recipes. If you made apple pie over the holidays, do not throw out those apple scraps. You can actually make a really trendy and healthy ingredient using just these. We're making apple cider vinegar. So to get started, we're just gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar to your mason jar, followed by your apple scraps. Don't feel afraid to even use the cores of your apples. So now just fill your mason jar with clean, filtered water. And then you just want to give that a good stir so that the sugar is dispersed throughout. So now that everything's mixed together, you're going to take a clean kitchen cloth, put it over top, and seal it with an elastic band. Set this away somewhere dark in your pantry. Every other day, take a large spoon and mix your apple scraps and the sugar in the water around. This is going to make sure that the sugar doesn't set on the bottom. 2 weeks time, you're going to drain the scraps, compost them, keep that beautiful liquid, put this lid back on with your elastic band, and allow it to ferment for an additional 2 weeks. So there you have it. Don't throw out your apple scraps this season. Make apple cider vinegar instead.